Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, Discover Boss, and we're here with another drive-in video. We just entered the newly finished Hagley Park Road. So we're doing a quick video from Hagley Park Road to Halfway Tree. A little bit overcast, but we still have a little sunlight out as well. Look like it's gonna rain in a bit. So it's another driving video, guys, so stay tuned, enjoy the drive. Remember to leave your comment, remember to like. All that helps the YouTube algorithm to, publish and spread the video to more people. Remember to share it to a friend or a family member as well, so that more persons can see the development and different areas in Jamaica. And remember to subscribe. I know a few persons may watch videos from time to time, but you haven't subscribed, and that subscribe button is still red. Just subscribe, join the family, so you can always get updates once you turn on that post notification bell as well. So Hagley Park Road to Halfway Tree. Stay tuned, enjoy the drive, and thanks for clicking on this video. Alright, so it look like some rain I got bust. The sky is overcast, so more than likely some rain will start falling in a bit. And what I'll do, I'll put in the comments and the description the very first video I did on Hagley Park Road. But then this road looked totally different when they were working on it, so I'll put that in the description for you guys. That's basically where the channel started, Hagley Park Road and 3 miles. That's where the journey started for Raymore Reviews. So I'll just give you guys a little glimpse down memory lane. Some of you newer subscribers may have not seen those videos, so I'll just put that very first video I did of Hagley Park Road in the description and in the comments, so you guys can see where Hagley Park Road is coming from to the current 4 lanes and nicely paved and basically finished roadway. So stay tuned for that, guys. Back to the drive. Alright guys, so said, so done. You know, the rain is coming down. You know, the time changed drastically from looking like, you know, a sunny 2 p.m. to like a 6 p.m. in the evening. You know, it's a bit dark outside right now. So, you know, in a bit it's a lot of rain. So all these roads will be flooded. But yeah, we're basically in Half a Tree right now. Well, we're in Half a Tree right now. We're coming from down Hagley Park Road. We're about to pass the transport center, the iconic transport center. That's the main transportation hub in Half a Tree. That's right in front of us right now. And then we'll basically end the video anywhere around this side. So it was just a quick drive from Hagley Park Road to Half a Tree basically. I think the transport center can accommodate up to what, I think 800 buses per, I don't remember per what. It's not per hour, but it's quite a good amount of buses. It's also 2 levels, and they also have an area to keep events, you know, different function as well, so you can rent an area. Downstairs have a good amount of shops too, and food outlets. So transport center, and again we're in Half a Tree, coming from Hagley Park Road. So as usual guys, thanks for clicking, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you guys on another video.